Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I'll say you some warm-up exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit in your place. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Now clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You know now? Clap children. Clap your hands. Stop. 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 Yeah. Coming to the point children. Children, see, add 3-digit numbers mentally with regrouping. See, you should add in mentally. See, first of all, you should write the place values of these numbers as ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First, what you have to do, you should add ones place first. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. That 6 you should write in ones place. As now, tens place. Tens place you should add 4 plus 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 like that only you should write. No. 0 here. You should carry forward to hundreds. As now hundreds place which number is there? See in hundreds place 5 plus 5 plus 1. 5 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, take 1 finger. 10 after 11. That 11 you should write here. What is that answer? 1106. 1106. See, what is that question? 543 plus 563 is equal to 1106. Understood children? Now, next question. See, again what you have to do? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First you should add ones place. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. That 6 should write in the ones place. Again in tens place you should add 6 plus 9. 9 in the mind. 9 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 15 like that only should write? No, here 5, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now you should add hundreds place. Which numbers are there? 4 plus 3 plus 1 carry forward is that 1. What is that answer? See, if you add these numbers, which number will come? 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 1 finger. 7 after 8. That 8 you should write in the hundreds place. What is that answer? 856 is the answer. Understood children? Copy in the classwork ma. Should copy in the classwork. Two more sums I will explain, children. Listen. See here. Again what you have to do? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. What you have to do first? You should add ones place. Yes. 3 plus 4. How much? 3 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. That 7 should write in ones place. Yes. Now, tens place. Which number is here? Here 4, here 3. Again, 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. In tens place, 7. Yes. Again, hundreds place. 8 plus 4. 8 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 should write here. Understood, children? Hundreds place and thousands place. What is that answer? 1277 is the answer. What is that question? 843 plus 434. If you add that, what we'll get? We will get 1277. Yes. Now, one more sum. One more sum, children. See here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes. What you have to do? Should add ones place. 6 plus 7. 7 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 like that only you should write in ones place? No. Ones place 3 you should write. In tens place should carry forward 1. Yes. Now you should add tens place. What is that numbers? 5 plus 6 plus 1. Because your carry forward is there. Yes, that's right. 5 plus 6. 6 in a mind, take 5 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in a mind, take 1 finger. 11 after. 12. That 12 like that only you should write. No. 2 here. 1 carry forward. Now hundreds place. 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 in a mind, take 3 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12. 12 in a mind, take 1 finger. 12 after. 13. That 13 should write like this. Understood? See, 956 plus 367 is equal to 1323 is the answer. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork, ma. Children, see word problems. Okay, how to do word problems. See, Vivek has 49 bags and Sham has 29 bags. How many bags do they have in all? Solve, solve mentally. Solve mentally. See, solution. Number of bags Vivek has. How many number of bags Vivek has? 49. S. Number of bags Sham has. What is that? 29. S. Now what we have to find? Total number of, see how many bags do they have in all? Total number of bags we should find. S. Total number of bags they have together. Is equal to 49 plus 29. What you have to do, tell me now. You should regroup the numbers. See, 49 means what? 40 plus 9. S. Again, plus 29 means what? 20 plus 9. S. Now what you have to add? Ones place you should add. S. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. How much? 18. 40 plus 20. How much? 60. Again what you have to do? 60 plus 18. Again you should regroup this. See, 60 plus 18 means what? 10 plus 8. Yes. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70 plus 8. 78. What is that answer? 78 is the answer. Yes, children. See, first you should regroup the numbers. Understood? Regrouping the given numbers in tens and ones and adding we get. Yes. Regrouping the given numbers in tens and ones. Understood? And adding we get, see, if you regroup the given numbers in the tens and ones and adding we get this. Understood? What you have to do, you should regroup the tens. See, this is ones, this is tens. S, this is ones, this is tens. If we add this, we will get like this. This 60 plus 18. Again what you have to do, should regroup 18. If we regroup 18, what will come? 10 plus 8 will come. Yes. Now 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 8, 78. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, open your workbook. Exercise 4.3 now. Applications. In applications, they given word problems. Yes, that word problem I will do. Okay. Open your workbook, everyone. Short answer questions. Ziri scored 37 marks in term 1 and 51 marks in term 2 in mathematics. What is his total score in both the terms? Solve mentally. Solution. What is that? Ziri score. Ziri's score in term 1. What is that score in term 1, children? 37. As Ziri's score in term 2. Term 2, what is that score? 51. As so, total score in both the terms. Both the terms is equal to 37 plus 51. What you have to do? You should add in mentally. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Ones you should add first. 7 plus 1, 8. In tens place, which number is there? 3, 5. 5 in a mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. At 8. This is the answer. Understood, children? See, this is 17th one. Okay. Now 18th one. Section A of 3rd class has 41 students and section B has 43 students. What is the total number of students in class 3? Solve mentally. See, number of students in section A. How many? 41. Number of students in section A. How many students? 41 students. Number of students in section B. What is it? Section B. 43 students. Yes. Now, so total number of students in class 3 is equal to 41 plus 43. What you have to do again? Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should add first. What is that in ones place? 1 here, here 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Tens place, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, how much? 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8 you should write. What is the total? 84 is the total. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. Remaining I will give tomorrow, children. You can't write all in one day only, okay? Remaining 4 sums I will do tomorrow.